How to sell your stocks on Robinhood. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Firstly, you need to install Robinhood in your device. For it, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Robinhood. Tap on Robinhood Wallet and tap on Install. Once installed, you can open it and log in using your credential of your Robinhood account or sign up for free. Once you are in your Robinhood, now to sell your stocks on Robinhood, firstly, you have to make sure of the stocks and your position in your Robinhood stocks. Now, to sell or trade your stock at the bottom, you will see the option of trade or sell. You can sell or trade individual stock as well. Just tap on the sell button. Now, once you do this, you have to initiate the sale order. Choose how much to sell. Select the order type. The default option is a market order, which sells its shares at the current market price. You can explore other price options like limit orders or stop orders for more control over the selling price. Once you have entered the amount or number of shares and chosen the order type, review the order details carefully. Make sure everything looks correct, including the stock price and estimated process. Submit the order. Once you do this, you'll be able to sell your stock successfully on your Robinhood. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.